Amazing during lockdown. Some deliveries. What we have here, genuine mud flaps for Volvo S40 feeler blades. It's just amazing during the lockdown that deliveries are continuing. Number plate fixings, touch-up pen for the Volvo. You can just see the colour there. Connected with the soldering iron to clean the tip. Rust proofing. We have grey stone guard, stone chip. I've already bought the zinc primer. I have bought the Jello Light rust remover. I've not bought the rust converter. I think that's really overkill. That's just to put the mud flaps in. I've just filled the sink, and I'm just going to put them in there for maybe an hour or so. And it's just amazing during lockdown that you can still get deliveries. Things like super glue, can get virtually anything if you wait. The mud flaps taken over 2 weeks to be delivered. And I looked at the delivery note, and yes, he did deliver or send on the note agreed, or what he specified. So they've taken 2 weeks to arrive. Quite interesting. However, if you're prepared to wait, they're a good deal. So yeah, just some odds and ends, and I'll be putting this video together with odds and ends which I find during the restoration of the S40 and lockdown inspection. I think I may have to do some work on these mud flaps. If you just look, and I'm just going to go down, you can see it's actually maybe hit a curb and it's actually damaged the lower plastic part. And if you can see again, I'm thinking these are the rear mud flaps, but you can just see there, don't want to zoom in too much. So I think what I might have to do is maybe some sandpaper or some sort of rubbing compound, just make them more presentable. I got these mud flaps cheap. They are genuine Volvo, and the guy said that they're in reasonable condition, and I think the guy's completely right. Slowly, just looking at the damage. I'm sure these are many years old, so I think what I might need to do is just a little bit of rubbing down, bit of restoral. I'm never ever going to get the deep scratches out. Never going to get them out. I might try and have a go. I might be lucky. I just don't know. But I'm going to give them a good clean, good rub down, and actually try and make them look new. So when the channel's called Born to Restore, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to restore them, and hopefully try and get them in a condition which is more presentable. I can just see there when you look down, they've already been cleaned already, and I think they need a more intensive cleaning before they actually fit to the car. I used a toothbrush to get into all the nooks and crannies last night. So this is something which I feel would be good for the channel, of restoring the mud flaps to the best condition possible. So as I always say, wish me luck. In the lockdown period, I'm going to remove the rust from underneath the S40 Volvo, and this is one of today's deliveries. It is an attachment which can fit onto a drill, but also this has been recommended by a friend who said about wash the the Volvos, dry them, and if they become dusty, to apply this even after a wash, and he has said that it will make the cars look new. So I'm going to try it. It's not a review, but it's something which I've been reading up on during the lockdown period. The process is cleaning the mud flaps. I never thought I would be doing this, and I'm sure if my wife found out, well, what would happen?
I'd kill you.
Dishwasher, and as you can see, it seemed a lot cleaner. what I need to do now is try and attack the mud flaps and try and smooth out those scratches and actually just make them look better. So that's my next job with these mud flaps. Never expected I'll be doing this to a set of mud flaps.